Hello, Mr. Adilbek. Today I will defend my second subtask. So let's start from my main part. So my main part, I think it will be convenient to defend in finish of our defending. So let's start from interface, mobile, and movable. So we are creating public interface movable because we use public to use information, these informations in other Java classes. So I use the public void move up, move down, to move left, move right. So it is the elements of movable interface. So movable point. A movable point implements movable. So we are implementing movable to use information from move up, from movable, move up, move down, and etc. Things like it. So we create variables like integer variables like x, y, x speed, y speed. So because we are creating movable point, so it is needing to create. So we are creating movable point. So it is x, this x, y, this y, x speed is this x speed, and this x speed is variable. So we are creating a standard constructor. So also we are creating move up. So it looks like y plus 1, it will be y speed. We write so because it is standard programming style. So to moving up, we have to if we will change one point from here to here, we have to write some we have to plus some number to moving up. So if we will stay here to moving down, we have to minus some number. So from it is here written moving left, y it is like in mass, y is from high, and x is from horizontal, vertical and horizontal. So moving left, so to moving left, we use a plus. To moving left and moving right, we use minus. And I think if we can use also minus and plus, but I use plus and minus. So we are overwriting this because we have information from a variable point. So because we are implementing, so it is Java needings. So let's make a movable circle. So movable circle also implements variables from movable. So we created movable point here. So we have information like it, x, y, x speed, y speed. So here we have information about center of movable point, and we have also private variable integer radius of this circle. So movable circle. So it is a constructor for our circle. So center is movable point. We have x and y, and стандарт, когда начинается это начальное, and radius of this circle. So moving up, now we have for center we are giving y plus 1, and it will be center y speed. It is we giving plus 1 to change our speed. So we plus at one number, and it will change speed, of course, and after plussing it will be stopped, and it will be changed their center. So here we write about it moving down. So we counted minus to y speed was changed by -1 and movable point changed by -1 by vertical and moving left. So also we are giving +1 -1 to giving information for speed. By speeding, it changed their center. If their center will change +1, so it will increase their speed. And also we use it to string because we use implements from movable, so it is Java needing. So okay, movable rectangle. So okay, movable rectangle implements from movable interface. So we have private movable point top left and movable point bottom right. So we have for example rectangle like it. So the first point is here top left and bottom right here. I've read it here. So we have information about x1, y1, x2, y2, x speed, y speed. So it is also similar to circle, but we have here complementing HCC. It is checking. So here boolean checking that top left x speed it is equals to bottom right x speed. So if their speed equals, so it will be, this boolean will be changed. So it and also we have to change by y and bottom right y and by x by y. If their speeds not will be equal, so this moving to right won't be work. So it will be, как сказать, это будет нормально, в нормальном алгоритме будет работать. So if it is working, so if it is, this boolean is true, we giving information by changing their speed. So we're giving by y +1, so it increases their y speed, and etc. Things like it, like I defended in movable circle. So in main Java, we are creating new object movable m1, new movable point. It will be no new movable point m1. So their information 5, 6 we are giving from this constructor. So here we have x, y, x speed, y speed. So we're giving this information, and after it movable point giving us information here. So moving left, and it is a requirement by requirement. And m2 is new movable circle. The information 1, 2, 3, 4, and radius 20. So also we can run this project. So here we can know that movable point with speed 10 and y speed 15. So it was increased by x speed. So it was 5 and it changed by 10. So 15, and etc. things like here. So by x speed, so I used move right, and so 1 -3 it will be -2. So it changed their centers, and I think that's all. If you have some questions, you may ask. Thank you for watching.